Hello, friends, and good morning. This is Prakash from Gujarat, India, and we have started one platform, and it is known as Let's Speak in English or Let's Talk in English with non-native English speakers. And Monday to Friday, I invite different speakers from all over India, sometimes abroad also. And Saturday or Sunday, I also arrange one-to-one conversation with our subscribers, with our friends, with our speakers of our platform. And today, here with us, Mrs. Kalpana Pathak from Baruch. Yeah, Kalpana madam, welcome to our show. Let's talk in English with non-native English speakers, and this is our one-to-one conversation. So I welcome you on this platform. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Good morning. Thanks a lot.
So you can ask me
Hello.
questions, yes, okay, or can I ask you some questions before that?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. So what I have observed for many days, you are really very interested in learning English, especially in speaking English. So when did you start this type of activities and why?
Sir, actually, I used to watch speeches in English and on YouTube, and I read some books and magazines, and but one day I was as I was watching videos, and I saw your session, and I feel that is very, and I saw it, that is very interesting. So many students speaking there, and they were getting improvement in there. So I decided to join with you, and I send you message, and within no time you send me message and add me. So I'm really gratitude to feeling gratitude for you that you joined me in your weekend institute. So that's really very good for me.
And now you are the member of permanent member of this show as a judge also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's my good luck.
Okay. And at what age did you start learning English?
Actually, I have graduate in my English subject. Uh, in, but I am very good at writing. But when it comes to speak, I fumble and stuck. So as I joined this platform, I'm feeling very good, and I'm getting improvement, and I have now confidence that I can speak.
Hmm. And I never study English and I never get stuck and fumble. Do you know that? I never studied English.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir. I have seen your videos that you are Sanskrit teacher,
Yeah.
and you have tremendous hold in this language, English language, and you speak very fluently, and we can understand your single word whatever you speak to us. That is very good.
Hmm. So do you know reason why? Because I never
Yeah,
afraid of
I
making mistakes.
uh-huh.
What people
Yes.
think about me while making mistake, it's not my duty. That is their duty to find out mistakes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
That is quality we want to develop in us.
Okay. And one more thing I want to share. Nowadays, I'm writing something on that. Stress and stress management. There will be our tomorrow's topic also. And
Okay.
how people kill their talent. How people kill their
Mm-hmm.
talent. Now I'm thinking and I'm reading about that and I'm writing also article on this topic. So, madam, what happens? Many people have talent. They have good qualities, but they
Yes, sir.
always think about other people. If I do this, then what people tell me, what they discuss about
Yes,
me.
sir.
So
Exactly.
they are afraid of uh, uh, other people's opinion.
Yeah.
And I'm quite different. What
Which
people
makes
talk
us
about me,
football,
it doesn't
just
matter.
like football.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
I what I think,
Exactly. Yeah.
I never think about the people. What they think about me, it doesn't matter for me. But I'm enjoying this one. and I want to do it with full enthusiasm.
Yes, sir. This is quality, and we want that we have this quality also. We must have.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can ask me questions. You told me you have a bundle of questions today to ask me.
I want to know how to getting fluency. What did you do for fluency?
Okay. What did you do to get the fluency of your mother tongue?
Yes, sir. It's very natural due to surrounding atmosphere.
Okay. I think few days ago I showed this one. Effortless English as a home.
As a hobby.
Hmm.
You have told and show us this book on the that platform.
Okay. So I use same method which is given in this book. That's why I was so interested. Okay, whatever I'm thinking, whatever I'm doing right. Because as a Hog is also telling the same ideas, effortless English. What happened in our school, madam, or in college also, we are taught to cram. People gave you teachers give you write down 5 times this spelling, 10 times, and memorize this one. If there is a question, also memorize. So it's a pressure. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can memorize
Exactly.
something and you can write down, but you can never speak with fluency because you don't have practice of
Yes.
thinking in English and you don't have practice of speaking English. Means your mind is not used to thinking in English and your tongue is not used to speaking English. That's why people are facing this type of problem. And in my
Mm.
case, I was
Yes,
so
sir.
lucky because I never studied English, so nobody told me to write down 5 times and 10 times. It was my ideas how to develop my English. So I started listening and listening. Then I started speaking and speaking. And still, I'm telling the I'm learning English. This is my way of learning English. When I talk with you, I'm learning. Yes or no? Because it's a practice. I'm giving
Yes.
the practice of
Yeah.
my tongue.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the way. The more you learn, the more you speak, the better you can perform next time. And the more you speak
Exactly.
in front of the audience, then the more confidence you will get. Whatever we are doing on our platform, every day we invite
Yeah.
25 and 30 speakers, and they are really very good at speaking English. So while talking
Yeah.
with them, when you complete your speech, when you get your feedback speech, then you get confidence.
Yes, sir. We are uh, we have experienced this on the Weekend Institute.
So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
way. Listen and speak, whether it is right or wrong. One day you can speak perfectly.
Yes, sir.
So first
Sir, you
fluency,
are
then accuracy.
very,
This is the formula.
yeah, sir.
First fluency, then accuracy.
Yes, sir. Exactly. Sir, you are doing very hard work on for public speaking.
Yeah, that's my dream.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can
First,
I
yeah, definitely.
can I
First,
know something about? Mhm. Mhm.
actually, madam, we are going to start our sessions on public speaking after 2 days.
Okay.
If you have observed everything on our platform, first I started English idioms and phrases and vocabulary and some grammar topics. Then I
Yes, sir.
started
I have seen.
self-development topics, all attitude, fear. These are the topics of self-development. And tomorrow is our last topic, stress and stress management. And from Tuesday, we are going to start public speaking. Okay.
Okay.
Why, madam? I'm that type of person who never wants to copy other people. I have my own ideas and I want to share with different people. But if I speak in
Yes, sir. I
only
observe.
in Gujarati, if I speak only in Gujarati, then only Gujarati people can understand. But if I speak in
Yes.
English, then many people can understand. I can reach to many people. So if my English is good, then I can make presentation, I can make a lot of public speaking, I can share my ideas. So what is my next plan? First, in this year, I want to explore Gujarat, and from next year, I want to explore our India, one by one state.
Wow.
Then I will start speaking in
Very
front of
nice.
large audience. Then I will be a public
Okay.
speaker.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Very
my
nice,
plan.
sir.
Then I will launch myself on TEDx. Actually, I want to launch myself on TEDx. Then I will get the recognition. He is a public speaker. So this is my dream. This is my planning for next 2 years.
Very lucky. We are also very lucky, sir. Okay. Now you can ask me, sir.
Okay. So how do you find means what is your experience with our platform? You come to our platform, Let's Talk in English with non-native English speakers. So share your experience about our platform.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello, I can hear you. So can you share your experience with our
Okay.
platform?
Okay. Here is some. Sure. Sure. It's a very awesome experience. Uh, no one can do anything without reward. First, but sir, you don't have any self, and you are push up us and inspire us and motivated us, and we are very now satisfied, highly satisfied, and we are now confident. No, we can do, and that is very awesome experience. We all the speakers are very happy with you with on this platform. This is really very progressive platform for us.
Yeah.
We are learning too much here.
Yeah, madam. And why I'm doing free? Okay, you must have questioned why, especially Gujarati people
Yeah,
never
yeah,
do
sir.
anything.
I was going to. I'm going to ask you next this.
Okay, so it gives
Sure,
me
sure, sir.
happiness. It gives me happiness first. If
Mm-hmm,
you do
mm-hmm.
anything without any expectations, it gives you happiness, stress free life. And madam, what is my
Yes,
tendency
sir.
for more than 8 years? I have been listening Srimad Bhagavad Gita early in the morning for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I never
Very good.
memorize. I never try to memorize any slok because I have done my Sanskrit MA also in Sanskrit, so I know this all thing. But I try to learn what is the main message, what is a lesson from these sloks, and what I'm that type of person. Whatever I read, if I see some qualities in you, and then I try to apply in my life. Okay, so I get
Okay.
some knowledge, message from that thing, and I apply. So what is the message of Srimad Bhagavad Gita? Do some work, but without any expectations. So I'm doing that one, and I think I'm getting more and more thing. If I, okay, I have 10 years ago, I didn't have money. I want to connect both things. 10 years ago, I didn't have money. Even I didn't have a good mobile. Okay,
Mm.
and I wanted to study. Though I had a government job, I wanted to improve my English because I told that I didn't study in my college time. English was not my subject. So I wanted to improve my English. So I decided to go to Ahmedabad every vacation. I have never seen vacation in my life, madam. So where there is a vacation, I used to go to Ahmedabad and I joined different classes of grammar classes and self-development classes, public speaking classes, but they were very expensive. And that time my salary was
Yes.
3,500 rupees, fixed salary. In government, you know that very well because you are from Gujarat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So whole year I saved money and I went to Ahmedabad and I studied 21 days and I spent 20,000 rupees. So it was my yearly income saving. 20,000 rupees were my yearly saving. But It was my passion
Oh,
and I did it. So now I
yes, sir.
realize many people want to practice their English, but they don't have money. And when I started Cambly spelling, Cambly is really very expensive. All people cannot afford it.
Okay.
Yeah. Though my family income is in 5 digits, but I think that it is very expensive. And how can other people afford it?
Okay. I
So
was thinking for Cambly, but I didn't have any idea. So I want to ask you, what is the process and how much fees are there?
yeah. So for 15 minutes, madam, you have to pay 300 rupees. And sometimes speakers are no, the tutors are not interested to talk with you. Just they want to pass their time.
Yeah.
But in
Mm-hmm.
my case, I make them speak a lot. You know that because I ask them so
Yeah,
many
yeah,
questions
sir.
like this. I am interviewer, and they are not teacher. They are student.
We are learning here too much, sir,
Hmm.
without paying a penny.
Yeah. So when I started Cambly, then I realized I should provide free platform for people. That's why I'm doing this type of work.
There is really good idea. This is brilliant idea. Not only good, but really brilliant idea for us.
So
Yes, sir.
how can we be helpful for other people? Because I'm getting enough money now. Money is not a problem in my life. Okay, it was a problem 10 years ago. So I should help such type of people who needs this type of thing.
And now one thing, sir,
Yeah,
we most of the speakers are, and me also, we are inspired really with you that we have to do something for people, for those people who are not no, we are not able to pay and they want to learn. So we are really, in me, in my case, I'm really inspired that I want to do something. uh, After getting influence, I want to my own classes,
that's
and I will
wonderful.
do so. Definitely I will do.
Wonderful idea. Wonderful idea.
Yes.
And we all have
That is your
same thinking.
yes, sir.
That's why we are on the same platform
Mhm.
now. If you don't have the
Yeah,
same
sir,
thinking, then
exactly.
you will leave the platform in 1 day or 2 days after 2 days.
Yes, sir, exactly.
Yeah. So
Yes,
any
sir.
other question?
Sir, can I know about your hobbies?
Okay, I have already made one video about hobbies with Rahullah. I like to play cricket, and still I play cricket with matches ball also. I'm very good batsman, bowler also. Then I used to play violin few years ago in Vallabh Vidyanagar. I used to study in Vallabh Vidyanagar, madam.
Yes, okay, okay.
So I started my
My
violin
son is
teaching.
also studying there,
Hmm.
Vidyanagar.
Okay, and now I like to read. That is my hobby, and actually my work is my hobby now. Many people ask me, why don't you get tired at this time also? But then say, it is not my work, this is my hobby. And I have never seen any person who is tired with his hobby.
Now it's your passion, sir.
Yeah. And actually,
So you
when
will
you
never
work,
get tired.
actually teaching is a noble profession. Okay.
Yeah, sir,
Madam, what
exactly.
happened when you teach something? Okay, you always make plan. I want to teach this thing in the classroom. And when you teach and when your students
Yes.
start applying that and when you get result, oh, you can see happiness on your face. Yes, they can do it now. So it was your idea. You applied
Yes,
the
sir.
classroom and they can do it. And 50 students and 60 students do it then. It's an amazing. And
There
one
is
more thing,
real
madam.
happiness.
Yeah, one more thing.
Mm-hmm.
Where I teach, so most of people are settled in USA.
Okay. Exactly, sir. Because they all are very lucky students
Yeah.
who are studying in your school with you,
Yeah.
sir.
So they call me, they send me message, and sir, I will never forget you. Because of you, we can speak English there.
Yes, sir,
And whenever they
exactly.
come to India,
Eh,
they come to my house, they give me lot of gifts without, when you don't have any expectation, people give you double. And if you have
yes,
expectation,
sir.
then it's a business. Then you will start when, okay,
Yes, it's a
uh,
business.
please reduce 5 rupees and 10 rupees, like that. The bargaining is there. But without any expectation, that is an
Mm-hmm.
emotion with our students. Today I'm also wearing the shirt. This is also from USA.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice, sir. Very nice.
And they always call me, sir, what do you need? We want to provide you for school also, for you personally also. But I'm that type of person. Whenever they give me gifts, I give them return gifts also.
It's your kindness, sir. You are really very genius and generous person. You are very noble person, sir.
Thank you.
Um, I have my goal. I want to do something for people, for needy people, sir.
And you
I
can do
would
it
have
actually.
my
No, madam, you can do it. These all things. You have ability, and you have a heart. You have a heart to help other people, so you can do it.
yes, sir. I want, and now I am free. I don't have responsibility for my children. They are living a hostel life, and families all are very settled. So now I have time. I will give time my to the for the people, and I will do something for them.
So definitely, definitely.
And and really I inspired with you, sir. More I have idea in my mind, but I don't know how to employ and implement, and how can I put in my practice. But now I have idea and I have inspiration that I will do as sir doing.
Okay, so do you write any diary or not? Do you make timetable every day?
No, sir. I
Oh,
have thought many times, but I couldn't plan that how I do that.
that's right. That's okay. Madam, what happened? We have thousands of ideas in our mind. But if you don't
Yeah.
write down on a page, then you will forget about it.
Okay.
Okay. So I always show you, this is my diary, and today's work is everything I have planned. You can see my morning today is 21, and your name is also here, Kalpana Madam. I
That's
have
like
got
to-do list, eh, sir? This
to-do
to-do
list. But
list.
whenever I have some good ideas, also write down that this is my today's idea, and today's my what I
Okay.
want to do.
Yes.
Yeah.
I promise, sir, I am going to start from Monday, from tomorrow.
Yeah.
I will start. Hmm.
So whenever you get idea, write down it. Because of
Mm-hmm.
God has given
Right,
us
sir.
this type of power to think. And one more thing I want to say, madam.
Exactly, sir.
Okay, I'm reading this book. Okay, I'm reading this book, TED. Every day,
Chocolate
10
days,
pages.
huh?
And I watched 2 videos of TED on my television now. Before that, just I have bought this television 10 days ago or 15 days ago. So,
Yes, sir.
okay. Uh, in the introduction, what is this? Ideas are the currency of the 21st century. Ideas. You can sell your ideas.
Exactly.
People are not serious
Exactly.
about their ideas because what? Why, madam? In our education system, in the current education system, no teacher has given you importance of your idea. They have given the importance to what is in the book and what have you written. Does it match or not? Then they give you the number. There is no thinking
Yes.
process in
Yes.
our education system. That's why we don't believe on our ideas.
Absolutely right, sir. This happens.
So think on your idea, write down your ideas and sell your ideas.
Sure, sure, sir. I think and I want every school has at least one teacher like you, sir.
Thank you.
Then students, then students will get benefit and improve our educational system also.
Thank you. Definitely, we all will together we will do this type of work in future, because now we have a small family, but day by day, madam, our family will be bigger and bigger.
Yes, sir.
So we will organize wisely,
We
and one person cannot
yes,
do it.
and
We all will do together.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Now we all are your hands, sir. We will do it so
Yeah.
that direction what you show us.
Okay, so I want to help other people. You want to help other people. Jaya madam wants to help other people. Then let's do together.
Yes, sir.
Then we will have a bigger family.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay.
Exactly, exactly, sir. Mhm.
Okay, so you have already, okay. Please tell me your hobbies then. I forgot to ask you this question.
Okay, sir. I have so many hobbies, sir. Actually, English is my passion, and actually, I write. Like reading, listening music. All are the common hobbies. But I like horse riding, sir. But
Oh,
I didn't have experience yet, and driving is my passion also. I driving is my hobby. I can drive all night.
oh
That's
my God.
my hobby. And once we had gone to Vaishno Devi. At that time, I had horse riding, and I felt very amazing at that day. And but when I get chance, I will do. I will fulfill my that hobby.
That's wonderful. So you have adventurous hobbies, horse riding
Yes, sir.
and car driving.
Horse riding.
Ah, so
Yes,
you
sir.
are
Yes, sir.
an adventurous person.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have a very little time for this conversation. So last, yeah, tell me about your reading. What type of books do you read?
Nowadays I am reading Poor Dad and Rich Dad. My son has bought that book, and my son is very interested. This type of book
Mhm.
is reading, and so I am reading this book. Just start I have, and
What are your assets and
I
what are
have
your
I
liabilities? This is the main concept. What are your
yeah,
assets and what are your
and
liabilities? How to invest money?
you have read this book, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And I have bought that book, Alchemist, but my son has took that from me. Then he said that you can order other you can order, but I like this book, so he took this book from me, and I have again ordered for that book, Alchemist.
Okay. And one more suggestion for that alchemist, madam. Right, I told
Mhm.
also write down on YouTube AJ Hope uh,
Yes, sir.
narrated a book Alchemist. Alchemist narrated by AJ
Mm-hmm.
Hope.
Yes, sir.
Okay, he has explained nicely
So
all chapters. So you will enjoy more than reading when he explains. He explains some words also. If there is a difficult word, and he explains this word also. So you will
okay,
enjoy a lot.
okay. I will order for this, sir, also.
No, no, on YouTube. You don't need to order now that book. Go to YouTube and write down narrated, Alchemist narrated by AJ Hope. Then are some videos, 5 videos, 5 chapters. Rich Dad Poor Dad is also explained
Okay.
by AJ Hope. So freely you will get chance to know about that book. And that one is
Okay,
more
okay.
interesting than
Sure.
reading book.
Thank you. Okay, okay.
Okay. And I
Nice.
will send you link
Very
also.
nice.
Okay. So here is the end
Hello.
of our, we don't have enough time, madam, for this conversation.
Okay.
And
Thank you so much, sir. Really, thanks a lot.
really personally, I enjoyed a lot
And
with you to talk with you. And we discussed a lot about our platform, then our future work. And we all want to help other people. So let's help people together. Okay. Then God will help us. So
I'll help us
yeah.
again.